This is a video introducing the key features of Kikihuose double induction cooktop burner. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features. Powerful 1800 watt induction cooktop. Experience rapid cooking with our 1800 watt double induction cooktop, heating twice as fast as traditional induction burners. Compared to a traditional induction stove, it offers superior heat conduction, meeting various cooking needs such as steaming, boiling, frying, and slow stewing. 8 temperature levels available. With the knob, you can set the temperature of the induction hob between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you are braising, frying, stewing, steaming, boiling, or roasting, the precise temperature adjustments can be easily controlled using the knob. This portable induction cooktop makes cooking simple and convenient. Portable double burner design. Equipped with 2 independent heating zones, this portable 2-burner induction cooktop allows you to control each burner separately or use both simultaneously to reduce cooking time. It measures 27 x 10 x 1.9 inches and weighs only 8 pounds. Designed to be lightweight, this double induction cooktop is highly convenient for transport and storage. It also makes an excellent cooking companion for weekend parties, festivals, and other gatherings. Child lock and multiple security. Comes with a digital countdown timer. A child safety lock ensures safety when the cooktop is not in use. The knob-operated induction cooktop will return to standby mode after 30 seconds if no function is selected. You can set the timer from 1 minute up to 2 hours. This double induction cooktop, featuring 2 cooking zones, also includes advantages such as a high temperature indicator and an automatic safety shut-off, providing you with peace of mind. High quality, easy to clean surface. The surface of the double burner induction cooktop is made from premium black glass that is heat resistant, scratch resistant, and incredibly easy to clean. This sleek design not only looks great but also ensures that your double burner induction cooktop remains in pristine condition with minimal effort. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.